Hey you guys, this is Everything Tech. Remember last time I installed the turbo card into my Amiga and I got my finger jammed into it. I was informed by some guy that the turbo card is actually not sitting properly into my Amiga. jammed into it. I was informed by some guy that the turbo card is actually not sitting properly into my Amiga. Falls into the ground. Here we go. I know those screw holes are. You're gonna be kidding me for the second time? What the? I think I'm possessed. You don't even. It does not even show. This screw fell 2 times exactly there through this hole. It's stupid. Okay, so that's the last screw, so it's obvious, of course. Okay, fixed. Now let's reattach all this stuff. It's the RGB to SCART. Sound. Power. Mouse. By the way, I've detached my my external floppy drives because actually I don't use them that much anymore because of the fact that I have most of all these games already on the Amiga. Let's see. Put this like that under there, and let's see. Let's lower it a bit and take some distance. Okay. And turn it on. Oh, right channel. Here we go. So it's booting. You can see the orange light is flashing. This one. And the older Kickstart 3.1 was a little bit faster, but still it's acceptable, like, I don't know, 20 seconds or so. So it still works. Let's see, the memory is still there, so that's fine, and everything works. So still have to do some things with it, but at least it still works. So I have put the turbo card at its correct spot. So yeah. Also, I have something else to show, and that's this thing. I will show you. I got it, basically nicked it from a guy who wanted also the workbench 3.1.4, so I made a deal with him, and he had still this A500 lying around, so I offered him a small amount, and works fine. And it's the one with the green power light and the orange drive light, which I like, and works like a charm. So it's always nice to have an A500 also. Not sure what to do with it in the future, but we will see. So yeah. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this A1200 or the turbo card, or any other questions related also to the software I'm using, feel free to ask. The video is made for that, and well, I hope to see your questions soon. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.